For the longest time, we've had a gray and green background. So I decided, why not go to a different place in the world where it's a different environment? Someone please get me a hat. No, not that hat doesn't work. What? This still is not gonna work. My ears are really cold. Still not good. Ah, that is so much better. In fact, I think I'd really like to just start filming these at the beach. But truly, what I'm about to show you is an awesome example of perceived value. You guys are used to hearing me talking about increase the value of your product on Amazon. Well, today, just for fun, we decided why not change the background just for once? And so we're gonna do that right now, and I hope you like it. We are setting up, I don't even know what you call it, but we're gonna have a backdrop that drops down here for different moods and different feels and different kinds of videos. So just so we have variety instead of having the gray all the time and the green, although we still have options for the gray and the green because that's sort of our traditional just one time color. So this right here is what I'm setting up. I used to build houses when I was a teenager with my dad, and I was actually really good at it. So I actually enjoy building things, kind of like I enjoy building communities, and building courses, and building entrepreneurs. I like building things. So every now and then it's kind of fun just to work with my hands, even though usually I don't take time to do this because my time is better spent investing in people. Create a different feel with this textured look, so that's why we have this look. Do you guys like this wall? It took us a long time to drive every single one of these nails and put all these planks on the wall. It was crazy. Although I will say I'm the kind of guy who doesn't like to read instructions. I'd rather just figure it out. But I've learned the hard way that that's stupid, especially if it's something I've never done before. So I'm gonna be patient and learn it the harder way. Well, I mean, do it the better way. This is not a green screen, my friends. This is real. The reason we do this is if you make something look better, it increases the perceived value. Obviously, it doesn't change me or my content. It doesn't change just one dime, but it does make it more attractive. Guys, do the same thing with your products, with your businesses, with your real estate rentals. Ask this question: how can I make mine stand out? How can I make it more attractive? Even if you're going for a different look like, and this took a really long time because we had to nail in every single board. Like, I busted my finger while I was nailing it. It was sweaty, it was hot. Oh, that's right, it's just a banner. You guys have an awesome day.
And I'm tired because they've been working on this for hours. Ugh.